When we harvest vegetables from our garden, it's easy to toss the leftover leaves and peels into the bin without much thought. After all, we only use the fruit or edible parts, right? But those vegetable scraps hold hidden treasures, nutrients that can be repurposed to nourish your plants. Instead of discarding them, let's transform those scraps into a potent liquid fertilizer. This is not only simple and cost-effective, but also an environmentally friendly way to enrich your garden soil. Start by collecting all the vegetable leaves and peels that you would typically throw away. It's important to ensure they're clean and free from mold or rot. These scraps are full of nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which plants need to grow. Now, instead of tossing them in the bin, let's make them work for us. The first step is to chop these scraps into smaller pieces. Cutting them into small bits helps them break down faster during the fermentation process, making the nutrients more readily available. Once chopped, take a small batch and add it to a blender with a little water. The goal here is to create a smooth liquid from the leaves. Blend it thoroughly until it turns into a green, nutrient-rich juice. Pour this liquid into a 5-gallon bucket and repeat the process until all your scraps are blended. Once you've transferred all the blended vegetable juice into the bucket, it's time to supercharge the mixture. Add a handful of compost or well-aged manure to the bucket. This step introduces beneficial microbes and additional nutrients to your fertilizer, turning it into a powerhouse for plant growth. If compost or manure isn't available, don't worry. You can still proceed with the process, but adding them makes a significant difference in the final result. Now, fill the bucket with non-chlorinated water. Rainwater is ideal if you have it on hand, but tap water can also work if you let it sit for 24 hours to allow the chlorine to dissipate. Chlorine can harm the beneficial microbes in your mixture, so it's essential to use water that's free of this chemical. At this point, you might wonder why we're adding a handful of brown sugar to the mix. Brown sugar serves an important role. It provides a food source for the microbes. These tiny organisms break down the vegetable scraps during fermentation, releasing nutrients and making the mixture rich and beneficial for plants. Without sugar, the microbial activity would be much slower, so this step is key to ensuring your fertilizer is as effective as possible. With everything in the bucket, stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure all the components are well combined. Cover the bucket loosely with a lid, leaving enough room for air to circulate. Fermentation produces gases, and a tightly sealed lid could lead to pressure buildup. Place the bucket in a shaded spot, away from direct sunlight, and let the magic begin. Over the next 7 days, the mixture will ferment. During this time, the microbes will work hard, breaking down the vegetable scraps and converting them into a nutrient-packed liquid. When you open the bucket after a week, you'll notice a strong smell. Don't be alarmed, the odor is a sign that the fermentation process has been successful. What you have now is a concentrated liquid fertilizer that's brimming with nutrients and beneficial microbes. Before you use this fertilizer, it's important to dilute it. The mixture is too strong to apply directly to plants, as it could damage them. Dilute it with water at a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. This ensures your plants get the nutrients they need without overwhelming their delicate roots. Pour the diluted fertilizer around the base of your plants and avoiding the leaves to prevent any potential damage. This homemade fertilizer is incredibly versatile. It can be used for vegetables, flowers, herbs, or any other plants in your garden. The nutrients in the fertilizer will support healthy growth, strengthen plant roots, and boost overall productivity. Over time, you'll notice your plants looking greener, healthier, and more vibrant. What makes this process even better is its sustainability. By repurposing vegetable scraps, you're not only reducing waste, but also cutting down on the need for store-bought fertilizers. It's a small step towards a more sustainable lifestyle and a big boost for your garden. So the next time you harvest fresh vegetables, don't see the leaves and peels as waste. Instead, view them as an opportunity, a way to give back to the soil and keep your garden thriving. This simple, natural, and effective liquid fertilizer will not only save you money, but also bring you the joy of seeing your plants flourish like never before. Give it a try and watch your garden transform with the power of vegetable scraps.